we just arrived to the market. Now we're gonna go and look for a park, guys. So we're here at the market, guys. So we're gonna have a good day, aren't we? Are we? Anyway, at the market, we're just walking around. The camera's a bit shaky, guys. You know why? Because I can't hold it properly. Sorry. But anyway, here's the prices for some of the food. So when you go there, you look for the board. Look what you want. Yeah, see there, lady and her daughter? Oh, that's what I hope my kids will be like. Anyway, folks, moving along, moving along. This is where I usually buy my food. But look away, I'm on a diet. What a liar! Nah, let's go. Let's go look around. Here we go. What's that over there? Yeah, okay. Time to get a juice, guys. Where's my bodyguard? Oh, there he is. Hey, bodyguard, come here. Come here. Where are you going? Where are you going? Oh, that's sad. Oh well, never mind. Now I've got to look for my husband. Oh, some bodyguard he will be. Stop saying that. Where is he? Darling, where are you? Where? Oh, okay. Couldn't find him, so I carried on walking. Now, we're la 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 la. Yeah. I hope I meet up with my brother today and Cheryl. They said they were coming here today. Oh, there he is. Look how he's hiding from me. Some bodyguard you are. Okay, I hope he's getting me a drink, because there'll be problems after that. Okay, what you get me, darling? Oh, okay, what a good man. Okay, looking at the jug, it looks like a whole heap of fruits. Yes, turn it on, man. Yep. Can't wait to get it. Gotta give him extra.
I hate him to drink my smoothies.
Look at this, guys. Look how big this is. What is this called?
Have you had it?
That's it, okay.
Wait till the bit inside down. You want one?
Yeah, just get one now. Just pay me later. Yeah. You might get you to drop your bag and come to some work. I've never seen it.
Cheers, everyone. Got me a nice smoothie here. There's chocolate, got bananas and other stuff. I wasn't sure what it was though. They had a machine here. What's that over there? Battered fish. I should buy one of these for the old lady. Where's he walking off to? Oh, the pearl section. Oh, someone's planning to give me a pearl. Oh, not that pearl. Anyway. Hey, shh, be quiet. Anyway, what pearl's he gonna give me? Oh, I don't know. Oh, yeah, what? Which one? Which? Any, mini, miny, mo. Wait. You gonna give me anything? Oh yeah, that one. Oh, oh, oh. Well, anyway, we're home now, and I didn't get that, so shame. All fish from the garden. See, this lady, she always sells her fresh vegetables. So if you got something planned for your dinner or lunch, you go down to the Punanga Market and you get you some. Okay, anyway, this lady's picking the cucumbers. Yep. And that lady over there is looking at her tomatoes. Now here comes another lady. Now she's thinking tomato today for me. So why am I standing around here? Is there a reason why I'm standing around here? Well, okay, I'm looking a bit lost right now. So where's my husband? There he is! You make me stand here like a weirdo. Okay, what's he picking? Oh yeah, he's trying to get some mandarins. $2 a mandarin, guys, $2. And I have 2 trees at home with millions of mandarins on top. Anyway, millions a bit much, but I've got heaps of mandarins at home, and he goes and buys 6 for $2 each. But anyway, that's supporting. Anyway, let's go. Really hot, that will go nice. Oi, tarofa. Good morning. Oh, sure. Huh?
These.
Yeah, they fell on top of our car this morning. That lady's got nice earrings on.
Oh, yes. They're around there.
Oh, they're down there somewhere.
Kia ora, Kamarua.
This is my sister-in-law, Cheryl.
Oh.
You guys probably saw her on the other video when we were in Samoa.
I might have lost me.
Mm.
I got hung up with the pills. I want something to go with this.
Mm. So how much did that cost you? Did you buy it from here?
No, so good. When you were saying 800.
Oh,
Jeez, it's good. It doesn't give me
a lady gave me this when I was here last time. Is it real?
They're too perfect.
Yeah.
See, one all wonky.
Yeah.
They're real. Took me a little while to love them.
Yeah. Yeah, I know. They look real too. that lady can give me real earrings. I mean real earrings. Look, this is look real, but my one looks.
They're all in perfect.
Yeah. They make
Oh,
it's so good then. Nah, I've never had one from Elvis.
No, we bought one last time. Sharon came back. We gave it to you.
What, a bracelet?
Yeah. Even a long one.
Oh, was so around when you gave it?
The future, one of your kids might have.
I don't even remember him giving me a bracelet.
Mind you, I remember when I first saw it, I thought, oh.
Yeah. The cocoa beans, you gotta roast it, it comes out raw, then you gotta roast it, then you pound it. Then it comes out to be a cocoa Samoa. But in this case, cocoa island. Kia ora, Anna. Yeah, the Samoans are still doing this.
We're making this now.
Oh,
It's a real
that's good.
like a Dutch. 100%. You got a farm on the yard? A farm, we've got 10,000 trees like that. Put in the ground. Are you in the cook or is it? No.
What's good about the market is that you can get fresh bread and headbands, fresh coconuts, and those nice colourful t-shirt like the one that girl was wearing. Yep, I wore one of those back home on the plane. I think I was the most colourful person on. Oh, I like these earrings. I'm going to get me some. Hang on, guys. Wait. Let's do some negotiation. No, I don't even negotiate. I just buy straight. Because that's supporting. Someone in the kitchen is making some noise while I'm trying to do a voiceover. Okay, guys. Let me go and bash them up. And I'll be back. Oh, I think I better go and look for my girls some stuff to wear. Okay, lady, what have you got? Show me your best stuff. Okay, hang on. I need help. I don't like picking those things. I always get it wrong. Now, where is my husband? Come here. Please come and pick something so you can get the blame. Because you know those girls, they fuss over the tiniest stuff. Do my hair then. Anyway. Okay. Now, does this look good, guys? I don't know. Orange. No. Well, what's that, lady? Don't get in my way. What's that? Yeah, this one. Yeah. Okay. Nah, I think, nah. Yeah, I'll put this one back. Thank you. What about that one? Nah. Okay, you're ignoring me now, lady. Where's my husband? I need help. Yeah. You call her, lady. You call. Oh, what? What did you say? Okay, I'll go with that one. That one. Oh, that one. Yeah, my granddaughter will like this. What do you guys think? Look good? Yeah. Yes, I think I like this. Yes. You stay there. Pick it up again. Put it down again. I'll make up my mind. Oh my gosh. Anyway, going back to that. Okay. No. Yes. Lady, please don't disturb me. I'm busy concentrating. Oh, whose hand is there next to me? Oh, now he comes and help me. Oh, lady, what do you say? Yes. Okay. So, wait. Okay. She's trying to pick for me. Don't disturb her. No distraction. Oh, she wants some fingers. Oh, okay, there. Oh, no, don't matter finger. Okay, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, lady. Oh, clever. Oh, clever. Okay, I'll have a couple of those. No. Nah. Yes, please. Yes. Okay. Oh, lady, you're so clever. Okay, I want that one. See, you sold it to me. Okay, any more? So, gee, they're colourful. They're so colourful. Okay, yeah, what? Okay. Let me have that yellow and white one, please. Lady. Yeah, this one, I'll get it myself. Gosh, don't even listen to me. Sad. Okay, yeah. Does that look good? Nah, put it back. Lady, can you put it back for me? Oh, you still want to do the finger stuff. Oh, okay. Here we go. I didn't want that one. Put it back. Oh my gosh, lady, listen to me. Okay, where's the other one? Wait. Oh, that's the one. That's the one. That's for Geneva. Yes, put it over there. Thank you. Okay. Well, what's this one doing over here? I didn't ask for this one. Can you put it back? Yeah, thank you. You don't listen to me, lady. Okay. I'll have this for. Thank you very much. Gee, you're helpful, lady. Yeah, I know. I was just only pretending that you're not helpful, but you are. Okay, I'll take these 4. Thank you. One for Geneva, one for Julara, one for Savannah. Oh, yeah. Oh. What's MacGyver trying to do on the side there? Oh, he's going to pay. Woo-hoo. Yes. I knew I could con him. Yeah. Please. Where's the money? Oh, sad. Okay, hold the camera. Oh, no, he's looking for his coins. Yeah, hold the camera there and I'll pay. Gosh. What are you good for, Tangaroa? What? Oh, lady, just give my change. Don't give it to him, please. My change? Yeah. Okay. What are you asking her? Give me that coin. $2. Yeah, give it to her. Yeah. Okay, thank you. Excuse me. I was standing there. No, my joke. Okay, I'm laughing to myself. Okay. Oh, he's trying to help now. Okay, put it over there. Distract the lady. You know she's trying to pay her bill for the market. Okay. Oh, what did you say to me? Oh, okay. Yeah, plastic bag. Yeah. I thought I heard right. Oh, yeah. Oh, what did you say? No. All in my bag. It's all right. All in my bag. Yep. Yeah, just put it there. Yeah. Lady, he put it over there. There, right there. Yeah. Oh, sorry about that. Yeah, that's all right. Yeah. Thank you. Oh, gosh, this is so hard. Okay. So, excuse me, how much is the market here? Can you tell me? Lady? Oh, okay. Bye. Run! I just want to look for a lava lava for my granddaughters, or for her grandfather bought her. That yellow and black one. Okay, lady. I think I'll get that one. What do you guys think? The yellow and black one? Yeah, that one there. Come on, lady. Where are you? Chop. Where? Hey, please, can you go and get that? To shut up, go kick you out. Yeah, yeah. Okay, just pretend I look like a person that's gonna buy something. I just stand here with my camera looking lost. Okay, 1 plus 1, 2 plus 2. Hurry up, lady. Come on. I haven't got all day. Okay. How much is that, please? Lady, $12. Okay. $12. Okay. Better look for my money. Excuse me, hang on, honey. Okay, there. Put it there. Where's this guy? Oh, where are you, Dad? Oh my gosh, what are you good for? Yeah. Hold my plastic bags. Yeah. Hold it. Stand there. Hold the camera. Will I pay her? Yes. How much? Oh, there I go, sexy lady. Yeah, okay. Get my change. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Let's go. Yeah. Nice stuff here. Lady, you got nice stuff. Just saying. Yeah, fa so for. Yeah. Kafka go say sexy gaming. Yeah, fa. Questa next year. Yeah, fa. Yeah, okay. Now, what next? There's that lady over there standing with her green hair. Let's go. Don't look at her. Don't look at her. Just pretend we didn't see her. Yeah. Da. I think I better get Katya and Chloe something. That's my daughter-in-laws. There's only 2 of them, so I'll get this one, and I think I'll get that one. Bit colourful. It's nice, but I think I'll get something else. Oh, hang on. Lady, I'll put it back down. Oh, how dare you touch it? Yeah. Okay, that I'll get. I like the look of that green one. Yeah. I like those 2 ladies. Where are you? Yeah. Hang on, I'll just look for my money. Sorry, excuse me. Oh, stop nodding your head. Or you telling him that I'm buying. Oh, that's nice. Okay. Oh, what a nice lady. A lot of people here today at the market, guys, but I think it's time we shoot off home. Hey, there's that man. We came on the same flight. That man right there, going in for a hug. Yeah, and that's his son that was there. I think there was 1, 2, about 5 of them. Yeah, and And the one that was being chased, there, that one there, yeah, he's the little boy. Oh, you guys made up. Okay, then. No more fighting. That's good. Okay. Where's my husband? Anyway, guys, Punanga Market has been a good visit. Enjoyed my food. Enjoyed my drinks. Now it's time to go. So, here we are. Hello. Yes. Punanga Market, thank you for having us. Thank you, Rarotonga. Take care. We'll see you guys again when we're over. Bye now.